Start with a ripe watermelon. Grab an ice cream scoop and begin hollowing it out and draining the juice. Mandarin oranges. We have some pineapple, strawberries. We've got some blueberries here. Gorgeous green grapes. And a little bit of mixed fruit cocktail. We're going to continue filling with ripe and frozen fruits till we reach the top. All right, now that we've got our watermelon completely full, it's time to do our final step. We have 2 cups of cold water in this bowl. I'm gonna start by adding in some Knox unflavored gelatin. All right, I'm gonna stir up my gelatin here with my cold water. And in total, this is gonna sit together for 1 minute. We wanna get this nice and incorporated. And you can see it's already changing to become a gelatinous kind of texture. And this is really gonna seal the deal on our gorgeous watermelon fruit salad. Add 2 cups of boiling water to this mixture. It's already forming to its jello texture. I'm just gonna whip this all around, make sure it's all incorporated. All right, we're gonna bring our clear unflavored gelatin and we're just gonna pour this perfect. Now I'm just gonna cover this back up. We're gonna put this into the fridge for 4 hours and then you'll see what we're doing with this next. Okay, our beautiful watermelon is ready. I'm gonna take this top off and show you our jello salad inside of there has solidified. Look at that. No moving, no shaking. It looks absolutely beautiful. And now we are about to serve this up. I'm gonna put it on one side here. Remember this bad boy. We're gonna come back in and we're gonna make a slit right in here. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna do one side, then I'm gonna work on my other side here. It's gonna be a lot of weight in the center for the watermelon rind to support, but okay. There we go. Take a look at this gorgeous slice. Isn't that beautiful? And if you want, you can cut this in half. Wow, there we go. That looks beautiful. All right, we got this handy dandy watermelon slicer at Williams-Sonoma. I'm sure they have it other places though too, Walmart, Target. And we are just gonna give this a go right on top of our watermelon jello salad. Beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. Stunning, a stunning way to serve a fruit salad. You gotta try it.